Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? Merry Christmas to you all. Like, Christmas is just a few days away from today, and happy holidays guys. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this really long braided wig. Like, I've been meaning to make something like this for a while now, so finally here I have it. So I'm going to show you guys every step how I made this wig, so just relax and keep on watching. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. All right, subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video. So I'm just going to show you guys everything you need to know about this wig. I use 4 packs of braid extension to make this wig, and I use color 39 and black, which is color 1, color 39 and color 1. That is the 2 braid extension I use, the 2 colors I use, 39 and black. And I cut the black all through into cut 4. I use cut 4 for the black, while the color 39 I actually use cut 3 and cut 2. The cut 3 is for the back, while the cut 2 is for the front. So you guys, this wig is really long. Okay, so and I use a closure which is a 4x4 closure, and I just cut it into 2. I'm using one part of it, so I'm just going to sew this other part now to the wig cap. First of all, you need to secure the closure very well to the wig cap, so it will just be very flat, you know, when you finish making your wig. It is very necessary or very important that you fix your closure very well before sewing to avoid, you know, all these lumps. And just make sure that your closure is really flat before you start sewing. And after sewing in your closure to the wig cap, cut out the lace net under the closure, like the wig cap under the closure. Cut it out before you start making the braided wig. Now, after cutting out the wig cap under this closure, I'm just going to take out a very little section at the front. I'm going to cut out some hair at the front, which I'm going to keep, like, in case I want to do baby hair at the front, I can easily do that. So I'm just going to take my needle to take out some hair at the front. And when I'm making my closure, most of the time I use something really sharp to do the patterns, because it is very important that your lines are, you know, like, they are neat. So I'm using the needle to pat this closure. Also, I'm going to use the shine and jam gel. This will just lay down the flyaways and just make patting of this hair really easy. Then after applying the shine and jam gel, I'm just going to take a little section of the braid extension, take the quantity that I want, take it out, and then just start making this wig. I'm going to first of all braid a little under, like start with braiding the hair before I actually start twisting. Now you can start to twist from the root, or you braid a little and then just start twisting. For this wig, I actually braid all through for the down part, and then before I just start twisting. It is really easy, and you know, closures can be really slicky at times to work with. That is why you need the shine and jam gel to just hold everything in place and make working with the closure really easy. So I'm going to just start twisting now, and I will twist to some extent before I actually add the color 39 to it. Now, this wig took a lot of time to make, and I did not work alone while making this wig. I actually worked with somebody to make the work really fast. So it took us around a week and some days to really finish this wig. We're really quick while making this wig because the length of this wig is so long, and we're not on it like morning to night every day. We took some days off. So yeah, we have it. So I'm just going to show you, repeat the process one more time, and then move over to the back section of this wig and just show you guys everything you need to know. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Also give me a thumbs up. Help share this video, because if you don't share it, people will not see it. So share this video to everyone you think needs this video, just share it to them, and do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section. I'm going to leave details of everything I use in the description box, so you guys check my description box if you want to know, like if you want links of all I use in this video. I'm going to leave them in the description box.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because.
For the back section of this wig, you will need a crochet hook to crochet the braid extension to the wig cap before you start twisting. I'm going to twist to some extent before I add the color 39. And for the back, like I said before, I'm using cord 3 in the color 39. All through I use cord 4 for the black, while the color 39 I use cord 3 at the back and cord 2 at the front.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me so
So yeah guys, after making this wig, just go ahead and trim it. Make sure it is really neat. And after trimming this wig, you can now dip it in hot water and allow it to dry properly. Then your wig is ready. You guys can see that this wig is very long. Like, this wig is long. This is what I've been meaning to do for a long time now. So here I am with this wig. This wig is really long and the color is everything, guys. The color is take away. It's just so nice. Like color black and 39, it just looks so cool. Like, it's not shouty, it just looks really cool and very nice. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the length of this hair and the color combination. I will see you all in my next video. Merry Christmas to you guys once again. Love you guys. Bye.
I'll be your anything if you be the one to take me home. 'Cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take a dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?